Okay guys, welcome back to yet another video. Here is the battery drain test and performance test of OxygenOS 16.1 after the July update. We have included OnePlus 15, OnePlus 13, OnePlus 13s because at that time, only these phones had received the OxygenOS 16.1 July update. This is the new series on the channel for OnePlus phones. So if you guys like to see such videos, let us know in the comment section below. Also let us know if you want any changes or improvement in these tests. But before moving ahead guys, if you find our content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. We started the test by calibrating the screen brightness using lux meter, and the brightness was set to around 450 lux on all three phones. All the phones were charged to 100% and the settings were kept identical. They were connected to the same Wi-Fi network, Bluetooth and location services were turned on, and the sound output was set to 50%. Battery health on all three phones was 100% and all of them were running the latest build of OxygenOS 16.1, I mean the July update. Before starting the test, the room temperature was 27 degrees Celsius and the phone temperature was around 30 degrees Celsius. First we started a 1 hour of Instagram test since everyone watches a lot of reels these days. After 1 hour, OnePlus 15 temperature was 36 degrees Celsius, battery at 92%. OnePlus 13 temperature was 37 degrees Celsius and battery was at 87%. OnePlus 13s 33 degrees Celsius, making it the coolest phone in this particular test, and the battery drain was only 4%, remaining at 96%. After that we played a 4K HDR video for 1 hour. After 1 hour, OnePlus 15 temperature was 34 degrees Celsius, battery at 84%, OnePlus 13 35 degrees Celsius, battery at 74%, OnePlus 13s 35 degrees Celsius, battery at 87%. Then we started video recording using the front camera in 4K 30 FPS. After the recording session, OnePlus 15 was at 35 degrees Celsius and the battery was at 76%. OnePlus 13 with a similar temperature 35 degrees Celsius, battery was at 62%. OnePlus 13s was at 36 degrees Celsius, battery percentage at 77%. After this, we turned on Gemini and made each phone talk to each other using Gemini voice. After that, OnePlus 15, we noticed temperature of 32.5 degrees Celsius and battery at 69%. OnePlus 13s temperature was 32.7 degrees Celsius, battery at 52%. OnePlus 13s 33.7 degrees Celsius, battery at 69%. Next we performed a gaming test on all these three phones for around 40 to 45 minutes by playing BGMI. We started with OnePlus 15. The battery was at 68% when we started the game. After the session, it dropped to 60%. The phone delivered an average FPS of 65 frames per second and the maximum temperature reached around 33 to 34 degrees Celsius. OnePlus 13, we started gaming. That time the battery percentage was 51% and dropped to 37% after gaming. Here the phone delivered an average FPS of 118 frames per second and the temperature was slightly on the higher side at around 36 to 37 degrees Celsius. On OnePlus 13s, when we started the game, the battery percentage was 67% and dropped to 60%. The average FPS was 119 and the maximum temperature reached around 34 degrees Celsius. Gaming was smooth on all the three phones, although the OnePlus 13 was slightly heating more than the others. Overall, the gaming performance was great on all the devices. We then switched off all the phones and decided to continue the test next morning. The next morning, we started with the RAM management test. All the phones had excellent RAM management and were easily able to keep around 10 to 15 applications running in the background. However, the OnePlus 13 struggled slightly with keeping heavy games running in the memory. Overall, I found this update to have a very good RAM management. Now it was time for the performance benchmark test. We started with the Antutu benchmark. On OnePlus 15, we noticed the maximum temperature going up to 44 degrees Celsius. Before we started the test, the battery percentage was 56 and after the test was completed, the battery percentage was 48. On OnePlus 13, we noticed similar temperature like 44 degrees Celsius. Before the test, battery was 31% and after the test, the device drained a lot of battery which reached at 17%. On OnePlus 13s, it remained the coolest at 42 degrees Celsius. Before the test, battery was 55% and after the test, the battery was at 46%. The OnePlus 15 scored slightly higher than the previous build. The OnePlus 13 also scored slightly higher compared to the previous build. For OnePlus 13s, we did not have the previous benchmark data, but the scores were really impressive. After this test, I had to attend a OnePlus event, so I couldn't continue the test. Instead, I thought of checking out whether the devices would drain battery while switched off for longer duration. We turned the phone back on after 26 hours 30 minutes. On OnePlus 15, the battery remained exactly same, which was 48%. OnePlus 13 drained 1% of battery and OnePlus 13s battery level remained unchanged. After that, we started wildlife extreme stress test. the OnePlus died during this test after giving a screen on time of 5 hours and 26 minutes. Which is actually decent considering such heavy usage. The stability scores on OnePlus 15 was 59% compared to 55% of the previous build, and the battery was left at 29%. On OnePlus 13s, the app crashed midway through the test, so we decided not to rerun it because it wouldn't have been fair for the battery drain comparison. At this point, the battery was at 28%. We then switched off the phone to let them cool down and pause the timer. Once the phone temperature returned to the normal, we started CPU throttling test for 20 minutes with 100 thread. Unfortunately, we forgot to start the timer, so later we manually added 20 minutes to the total screen on time to keep the results accurate. After the test, OnePlus 15 temperature was 34.6 degrees Celsius, battery at 19%, OnePlus 13s 34.5 degrees Celsius, battery at 18%. The OnePlus 15 throttled to a maximum 76% compared to 77% on the previous build. After this, we again switched off the phone to cool them down and pause the timer. Next, we played a 4K HDR video for another 1 hour. After this session, OnePlus 15 temperature was 32 degrees Celsius and battery remaining was 11%. OnePlus 13s, we noticed temperature of 32.6 degrees Celsius and battery at 3%. Finally, we performed a Google Meet video call. During the call, OnePlus 13s died after delivering a screen on time of 7 hours and 24 minutes, which is really impressive after this update. OnePlus 15 was still left with 7% battery. So we switched to 4K 30fps front camera video recording until the phone died. At 8 hours 2 minutes, we got the low battery warning, and then we tried running the Wildlife Extreme stress test for a short while, and at 8 hours 5 minutes, even the OnePlus 15 finally died. This clearly proved that the OnePlus 15 delivered the best battery backup amongst 3 devices. Overall, after this update, all the 3 phones offers excellent battery backup. There is no doubt that both battery life and performance have been improved along with the overall stability. So guys, this was all about the battery drain and performance test after the July update. If you guys have any kind of questions and if you guys want any kind of changes in such test, do let us know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.